Hello everyone, today we are going to make wrap. First, cut the cabbage into thin slices. Then we can cut some garlics. Cut some onion. Cut them into thin slices. Heat the pan, heat the oil, add the onion, stir fry, add light soy sauce. Stir fry for 1 minute. Then we can add the cabbage. Stir fry for 2 minutes. Add 1 spoon of salt. Add the fried onion. Stir evenly. Take it out. Set aside. Cut some beef meatball into thin slices. Then cut it into small pieces. Give the meatball some taste. Add ketchup, add soybean paste, add cornstarch water, add light soy sauce. Take it out. Set it aside. Then prepare the wrap. Add the cabbage and onion. Add the cooked beef sauce. Wrap them tight. Make another one. The wrap is ready. Hope you like my video. Please leave me some comments. Please subscribe. I wish you happy every day.